Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruises. Beautiful bit of kit. These are billet CNC Ford controls. These particular Fords are available for Harley, Davidson, or also for this particular set is for a Yamaha Roadstar. Okay, cracking bit of kit. You can see mirror polished billet. Got a bit of the alley going on there where we've polished it. Comes complete with a little hydraulic brake switch instead of that horrendous Roadstar spring-loaded thing you get. Billet master cylinder, okay, all built in again, like on a Harley. Very, very well polished by me, God help us. Here's your shifter side. Now normally this arm is movable, so it'll be here and you'd move it up, okay? But cracking bit of kit, as you can see here. These four controls are CNC billet aluminium, not die cast crap like a lot of the eBay stuff. But very well made, and as you can see, come complete with a shifter too. If you're interested in these awesome Fords, it's customcruisers.com.